Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will discuss SAT Math Battle Tip number 4 as part of my Battle Tip series. So to do that, I will take College Board's SAT practice test number 2. What you are seeing on the screen is section 4, and let's go down to question 2. Alright, so a quality control manager at a factory selects 7 bulbs for inspection out of 400 bulbs that are produced. At this rate, how many bulbs will be inspected if the factory produces 20,000 bulbs? Alright, so one thing you can note right here is 7 bulbs inspected out of 400 produced. And then out of 20,000 produced, how many will be inspected? And just looking at this question here, if you look at produced 400 and produced 20,000, so that's a factor of 50. So for inspection of 7, you multiply that by 50 and you get 350. But that's something that you can look at from this question. But not to digress, let me go to solutions. First, let's look at College Board solutions, and then let's look at my solutions. Alright, so again, practice test number 2, section 4, question 2, College Board's explanation. Okay, select 7 bulbs for inspection out of 400 bulbs produced, and then out of 20,000 bulbs equals 20,000 over 400 is equal to 50 batches of 400 bulbs. Therefore, at the rate of 7 bulbs per 400 bulbs produced, the manager will inspect a total of 50 batches times 7, which is 350. Just the way it is written, I find it very confusing, and most likely a lot of other people also find it confusing. Now look at my approach here. Essentially what it is you need to set up a systematic equation for rate. Just set up the equation, use that equation that you've learned about, the rate equation. In this case, it is a direct proportion, right? So as the number of bulbs produced go up, the number of bulbs that you need to inspect will also go up. So it's a direct proportion. So anyway, so this is how you set up the equation, right? Number inspected divided by the number produced, that is given to you in the question. 7 bulbs inspected out of 400 that are produced, and that rate does not change because the question said at the same rate. So this ratio equals 20,000 are produced, and then the question asks how many do you need to inspect. So really you need to find out X from this equation. So you just cross multiply and you get the value of X as 350. So this is a very systematic way to do it. If you set up this equation, you will not make a mistake compared to going through this kind of an exercise on the left where you find out how many batches were produced and things like that. So just focus on a systematic equation for rate, whether it's direct proportion or it is not direct, which is inverse proportion. One thing goes up, the other thing goes down. So anyway, so hopefully this setting up a systematic rate equation is easy for you, and I'm confident you'll find it very helpful. So set it up, it provides clarity and minimizes the chances of making a mistake. Alright, so that's it for this battle tip. Again, set up a rate equation when you recognize such a question. Alright, I'll be posting additional battle tips on my channel very soon. Stay tuned. Thanks. Bye.